Best deals.
1. Copper dispenser. Antique finished with etched design all over outer layer, beautifully done by hand, is so mesmerizing that one can't take away the attention. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Glass beverage dispenser. Withstands extreme temperatures from 20 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius without cracking. Serve everything from warm lemon water to chilled iced tea with confidence. Built tough for daily use, safe, stylish, and mom approved. The silicone-sealed wooden lid keeps drinks fresh and protected from dust. Inbuilt thermometer displays temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius, no more guessing. Perfect for preparing safe warm drinks for kids or daily detox water. The leak-proof stainless steel faucet allows mess-free dispensing, while the air vent valve ensures smooth, glug-free flow. Just pull and press to activate easy pouring. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Matka pot and stand. Designed for flat-bottomed water pots only. It features a beautiful and trendy design with a unique style and long-lasting shine. Easy to fill bottles, cups, or pitchers from your filters, not just a short cup. Due to 8.5-inch height, pot stand is made of 5 mm thick wire and stainless steel material for trustable durability, longevity, and anti-rusting properties, not easily deformed, and is perfect for heavy plant pots or other planters. It efficiently organizes your water pot, glass, and water collection tray, keeping your area tidy and easily accessible. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Water container. The elegant look of stainless steel makes this an item for display at social gatherings, parties, and even in the break room at work. A great investment for any domestic or commercial kitchen. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Camping water can. This water dispenser barrel has faucet designed to easily carry water and prevent leakage. Water storage container hold hot and cold water with strong water tap, saves space by storing water in bottle, convenient to carry around. It is also very easy to clean by inserting one's hand through the top and scrubbing inside. Large opening so filling up, adding ice is simple and easy. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Camping water can. This water dispenser barrel has faucet designed to easily carry water and prevent leakage. Water storage container hold hot and cold water with strong water tap, saves space by storing water in bottle, convenient to carry around. Outdoor water container is very suitable for car driving, outdoor activities, such as camping, picnic, hiking, family travel. This water can is perfect for storing and dispensing water, but can also be used for storing and transporting other liquids. Oil, much better and durable dispensers can be easily operated by anyone. It has a wide mouth to ensure easy filling and cleaning. Perfect for daily use at home or at the office. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Beverage dispenser. Features double-layer latex gasket, filter screen, better sealing and prevents foreign objects from flowing in. 2-gallon capacity, perfect for large gatherings, don't have to worry about refilling them multiple times. High-quality Clearpay beverage tower embedded corrosive-resistant stainless steel ice container sits on sturdy metal base that can be used for any beverage of choice. Cold beverage dispenser, include a removable ice core to maximize cooling or heating without diluting the drink. Equipped with a drip tray for collect spillage to keep the countertop clean. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Water dispenser. Perfect for storing and dispensing water in homes, kitchens, and offices. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Drink dispenser. Plastic beverage dispenser with spigot is made of premium food grade PP material, resist the temperature of -4 to 302. Compared with glass dispenser, this PP drink dispenser is lightweight, easy to carry, and can be used when you are out camping and picnicking. This juice container is designed with double filtration. It has a removable freestanding filter inside and a filtered tap to keep the fruit or tea leaves well inside. Plastic drink dispenser comes with a push-to-tap faucet that simply screws onto the container. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Beverage dispenser. The transparent glass allows for easy viewing of your beverages, making it perfect for showcasing juices. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Glass drink dispensers. Suitable for various occasions, including family gatherings, birthday parties, weddings, picnics, and barbecues. It is perfect for storing and dispensing beverages such as lemonade, iced tea, and juice, bringing convenience and fun to your parties. Whether used indoors or for outdoor activities, it provides you with a hassle-free beverage solution. The total capacity of this drink dispenser set is 2 gallons, which can easily meet the beverage needs of many people. There is no need to frequently refill drinks, allowing you to spend less time rushing around during parties and more time accompanying guests. It is very suitable for gatherings. The innovative stainless steel faucet is designed to have smooth water flow and complete leak-proof performance, eliminating worries about beverage leakage or waste. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass beverage dispenser. With a glass lid with the beautiful pattern and classy design glass water dispenser with tap, no matter what you put inside, the drink dispenser will be a gorgeous decorative piece for the house, bar or party table. Ideal for serving for beverages fresh lemonade, iced tea, infused water, punch, juices, and sangria. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Collapsible water container. With a generous 20-liter capacity, the camping water bottle ensures you'll have an ample water supply on your outdoor excursions. It's the ideal companion for extended hikes, camping trips, and picnics, eliminating the need for frequent refills. The collapsible jug design of this water bottle allows it to be easily folded down when empty, saving precious space in your backpack. When every inch of packing space counts, this foldable carrier is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with a convenient built-in tap, the HACER camping water bottle functions as a dispenser jar. This feature allows for controlled and mess-free pouring, making it ideal for sharing water with your fellow adventurers and preventing waste. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Gallon drink dispenser. Refrigerated beverage dispenser faucet is equipped with 2 washers. Please do not miss any one of them, otherwise it will cause leakage, allowing you to enjoy your good time without worrying about slipping or getting dirty. In order to facilitate the addition of fruit slices and ice cubes, the lid design does not have an additional sealing ring. Made from reliable plastic, this tea dispenser isn't just clear, it's also robust and built to last. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. It's elegant and looks so beautiful. Product link is given in the 14th link.